Adding your GitHub link to your resume is a great way to showcase your coding skills and past projects. Here's how to effectively add it. Create a GitHub profile. Ensure your GitHub profile is complete and professional. Include relevant repositories, code samples, and documentation to highlight your skills and contributions. Copy your GitHub URL. Go to your GitHub profile and copy the URL from the browser address bar. Add the link to your resume. There are multiple places you can add your GitHub link. Contact information section. Include it alongside other contact details, like your email and LinkedIn profile. For example, skills or project section. If you have a project section on your resume, include GitHub links to specific repositories that demonstrate your work. For example, project name, description of the project, GitHub. In your portfolio link, if you have a professional portfolio, include a GitHub link there with a reference to specific projects. Make it clickable. If submitting your resume digitally, ensure the GitHub link is hyperlinked for easy access.